Today we are doing medium problem 325. Given an integer array nums and integer k, return maximum length of subarray that sums to k. There is not 1, return 0. I mean, so we could do n squared obviously, but that's bad. Now suppose we do like prefix sums of this. Well, subarray has a sum k if at some point we have some s and we have s minus k somewhere before in the prefix sums. Now we want the longest such, so for each sum we just save its first index where it occurred, and each time we just, if it exists like a cumulative minus k, then we update answer, and that's it. So let's call it like index default dict int on 0, and then cumulative sum 0. And we can do like index like that, and then we can do like if index, then ans max ans I minus else. Okay, and now if index okay, whatever. I tried picking a more difficult medium, but all were dog shit, so this is ON2, right? So suppose we have prefix sums of all prefixes. Subarray nums j has sum k if ref j minus ref I minus 1 is equal to k. In other words, if we implies that ref I minus k, no, ref j minus k is equal to ref I minus 1, we just have to store all meaning we just have to, okay, so if there is multiple such indices, we want to pick the minimum one to have the maximum length subarray. To do that, we just store first occurrence of each prefix sum, and each time we check if cumulative sum minus k, if we have already seen to store the first index of each sum, we can use a hash map for O1 insert ON, since we do O1 work per each j, checking and inserting into a hash map. and since we will have at most n elements in the hash map. Okay. Time for my master thesis. See you tomorrow.